exciting. This box came in the mail today, clearly marked Triumph. It's come from England for me. Now this is the, it's called Foot Finder Extension Kit for the Triumph America. So we have a bit of a leaflet there. We got some stickers from Total Triumph who supplied the kit. And here it is, the kit itself. So yeah, this is supposed to go on to the kickstand. What's this? Oh, 2 genuine Triumph screws. Look at that. Hopefully this will make it easier to find. You have a massive instruction manual here. Hopefully I don't have to go through the whole thing. So, no, it's only 3 pages in English and all the rest is a different language. So, hopefully this is going to make it much easier for me. I'll get it fitted and we'll see. Alrighty, so here we are out of the bike. Get our little kit here. The instruction manual.
That bit goes on there. And it goes up and around under there. Well, it's not going to help it the way I was expecting. In fact, it remains to be seen if it's really any better at all. It's also going to be impossible for me to get the screwdriver I was going to use. I don't see what purpose this serves. Anyway, I'll put it on and see what it does. Okay, so let's start this down. All I can imagine at the moment is that you hook your heel behind that to pull it up. It's certainly not what I was expecting. I thought that there would be something on here to make it stick out further because it's very difficult to find that little bit when it's sitting on the bike. Lifting this bit up is also an issue, but I would have thought the other part was more of a problem. I'll tighten this down to exactly 14 newton meters. I did notice some Loctite on these screws, so hopefully it will all be good.
Yep. Okay, so the part's fitted now. Doesn't do the job I thought it would do, but it is still quite useful. It's very good for hooking your foot behind there to flip that up. Unfortunately, what I was hoping for was a part that went on that there to make it easier to find that part to flip it down. But still useful. Will definitely make getting the stand up a fair bit simpler. Stop it there. So from the top, as you can see, there's a very tiny knob there to find, and you've got to be able to get your heel on it to push it out. It's not too bad in the daylight when you can see it, but in the dark it's near on impossible to find, and that was what I was hoping would be extended to make it easier. But anyway, it's not what I thought it was, but it's still useful.